Hello guys, today I'm here with a new product which I purchased on Independence Day sale at Amazon. So let's see what's in it. Hmm, can you guess what it is? What's inside the box? Maybe a camera, battery, or some other things which I require most. Before that, do you know guys that OnePlus 5 I'm still using for nearly 3 years from my side, but it's still from 2017 model. Actually, I purchased the product for this mobile only. So now you got an idea, I guess. I hope. Um, so let's unbox the product in it. If you guys want to know what the product in it, just subscribe and watch till the end. You will get a nice product for your use. I hope. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna unbox the product. So let's see what's in it. Finally, it's done. Let's see. Here we got an Ambrane to 20,000 mAh power bank, which I bought in Independence Day sale. For more features, watch till the end. Here we got 22.5 watts maximum output and a premium compact design. I have seen my cousin's power bank. It was cool and unique. It also got multiple charging ports and Android. It supports Android and iPhone compatible maximum. Let's see how it works. It's Ambrane logo. First time I'm using an Ambrane product, so I don't wanna. Hi guys, I got an stickers. Do what powers you. Always charge. Sundar Sushil Savage. It's fine. Have you any query or advice? I got a rating card. Let's see the mini box. Finally. Yeah, it's our boy. I got it. Actually, they provided a port inbuilt. Built itself, so we don't need to require any another cables. And also, we got an universal port and also C-type port. So it's a nice choice for you. Okay, check. Actually, they gave with full charge only, so I'm lucky. Um, Actually, I want to check charging my camera. Later, I will check once it. Let's check using OnePlus cable. Guys, finally, what I expected was done. My phone is fast charging. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video with another product or another review or another travel content or anything. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and also bell icon. See you guys on the next video.